Alright, so finally I got it right here. So here's the graphics card. Finally. And then I'll get back to you once I get this installed. Hopefully I don't mess anything up because that would very much suck. Dude, oh come on. Alright, here we go. Oh, I might not have captured that. This over here. Now let me get like a part of this off, and then I'll show the peeling. There we go. Okay, now that that's in. Okay, there we go. That's plugged in. Now we gotta screw it in. That should be. That should be right. So let's go to let's put everything back to how it was. Now I'm gonna just put the glass back on real quick. So alright. I put this back on. Slide this in. Alright. Screw this back up. Screw this. And there we are. Now let's go make sure that this actually works. So I really hope it does, because I really hope I didn't mess anything up. There's the cable mess. Think up. Get out of here. Alright, so I'm gonna put this right here. Now my dad playing PUBG. That ain't me. I don't play PUBG. I'm gonna say that. Alright, so now we're gonna get the PC. So I'm gonna put this down. Here we are. Alright. Now I'm gonna have to plug everything back in. And no, okay, whatever. And plug these things in. Okay. Oh wait, I got scared for a second. It didn't turn on. I just forgot to flip the switch. Alright. Good, that's good. Alright, so everything's spinning. It's turning on. All good signs, all good signs. It's all good signs. Alright. Alright, so thank you for watching. I'm glad that it actually worked. So yeah.